Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I will be doing a haul again because yesterday was Black Friday and I went a little bit shopping. So I was actually working and then I get off early. That's why, I told myself, you know what, I'm just gonna go Black Friday shopping too. So anyways, I have here a bag from Bath and Body Works, and I know my friend Clarice just gave me 2 hand soap, but Bath and Body Works was having like buy 3 get 3, I think, yeah, buy 3 get 3. So anyways, I also got myself more hand soap, and I got here the Cozy Vanilla Cream. The original price for this one is $6.50, and this one is in lemon buttercream. You guys, this smells amazing. I can't talk, but all of these smell so amazing. So I have the vanilla cream, the lemon buttercream. I'm just gonna put it back in the bag because I'm gonna also half of this one I will be like giving it to like my Christmas gift. So I also got here a rose vanilla gentle foaming hand soap, this one, and I also got a Mary cookie. This one smells really good too, this one, Mary cookie. And then I got a frosted coconut snowball, and then last one is the eucalyptus mint. I really love the smell of the eucalyptus. And there's more hand soap. So Joann and Craft Store, I believe, I went there because I was trying to look for yarn, and then when I was in the checkout aisle, this was not on like a Black Friday, but when I was at the checkout aisle, I saw like the hand soap for like $1. I think the original price for like 2 something for this one, but I got the vanilla jasmine, I got fresh cotton, and I also got a brown sugar. So these are from the Joann and Craft Store. So that's it for the Bath and Body. And I also stopped by at the Best Buy and I got SD card. I didn't get like, like a camera or whatever, like appliances or like gadgets at Best Buy. I know they have like crazy sales on those, but I'm still good at my camera, my laptop, and like everything. So I just got these for like, I don't know how much I paid, $8.99. So this is a 64 gigabytes memory card because I needed memory card so I can start filming on my SL2 camera. And they also, okay, so she gave me like a card. This is free gift with any 10 purchases off. Okay, valid until December 28 to 24. Okay, so that's that for Bath and Body. Okay, next one is from Marshalls, and I got a lot of stuff at Marshalls too. So this one is a black boots. It's just plain black boots, and it's from Charlotte Rosie. I have no idea how to spell how to pronounce that, but I ended up paying $19.99. So this is just a plain black boots. I do have like a plain black boots before, but I don't know where I put it. It's probably in the storage room, so I don't know. But yeah, this is I'm in size 7. Yeah, I'm size 7 in boots, you guys. So that is just so cool because this is really, you can pair this with anything. Like you can actually still wear this in like summertime. So yeah, that's that. And then next one is this rose petal facial toner right here. There, I saw this at Target and they're kind of like expensive. They're like $10, and then when I went to Marshalls, they're only $7.99 for this facial toner. I also got a L'Oreal micellar cleansing water. I do love my Garnier, but they don't have a Garnier in the Marshall, so I just got this one and I want to try this too. This is $3.99. And I believe if you buy this at Target or Walmart, they're like $5.99 or $6.99. It depends. And this is normal to oily skin. So you guys know me. I have oily skin, so that's that. And Actually, oh my god, you guys, so this pair of jeans, I've been looking for a perfect size of jeans and I finally found it at Marshall. So this is just a plain black skinny jeans, and it's ankle skinny jeans, so that's really good. I went to the fitting room and it fits so perfect. Like it's perfect. It's like my perfect jeans, and they were on sale too. The original price is $16 and I only paid $13 for this one, and it's just my perfect black jeans right there. And then okay, last one is this sleeping wear, and I'm in the size small right there, and this was on sale for $6. Actually, these two, like it comes with these two for $6 right there. The original price was $12.99. I only paid $6, so this is like a snake print, I think, right here, just brown. It's very comfortable, like when I sleep I like it. It's like cold feeling. And this one in black right there. Okay, next one is from Ross. And guys, I got a teddy bear jacket, like a teddy bear coat, teddy bear jacket. So I've been trying to find a perfect teddy bear coat for me. Where is the receipt over here? And you guys, this is so perfect. Like I got the size extra large because when I try the large, it's not really, I want it very how do you call it, baggy feeling. And you guys, look how cozy this looks. Like it's so cute, and it's brown there, and it has a pocket too, like in the front. It has a pocket in the front, which is really good. And the original price is $24.99, which is like I paid $25. Yeah, I paid, well, with the taxes, $26.49, and I'm really happy because I'm excited to actually use this one, or like try it on. So I think I'm just gonna change because I'm trying to film this haul so we can go to the birthday party for my husband's niece. So I think I might just ending up wearing this one today. I don't know, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear this. So anyway, that's that from Ross. Okay, so last but not the least is from Target, and I got myself a new cell. This is a collagen pills. It's for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. And I've been taking different collagen, you guys. Like I'm testing out different type of collagens, and I also have that sugar bear hair, but I'm not gonna say anything. But I don't know, it's really no difference for me. For my part, I've been taking that sugar bear hair for like 3 months, and I just like stopped, and it's kind of expensive too. But this one, I believe I only paid $12 or $13, $14, I have no idea, but I'll leave it out in the description box below. You can actually purchase it at Amazon as well, but I just got it from Target. I think they're kind of expensive if you buy it in store or Amazon. Well, if you're not a Prime member, you still have to pay like $5.99 for shipping. Depends what kind of state. But if you you know, if you like collagen and stuff like that, you guys give this a try. I heard a lot of good stuff about this, and I'm still I'm still taking it at this point. So I'm gonna give this a try for like a month or two, and then I will give you guys a like an update. So yeah, that's that, and I believe that's it for a for like this Black Friday haul. I really didn't want, you know, like blast on a Black Friday because Cyber Monday is coming too, so I gotta wait on Cyber Monday. So anyway, you guys, hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.